Today we have the DeLorean. She's looking pretty good after a rain. Very shiny. It's definitely not even close to being a perfect car, but it's not bad. Now, some interesting things about this car. For instance, let's open up the hood, shall we? No motor. It's a rear engine car. If you're wondering why the trunk latch has a wire, these things broke all the time. And when they did, you were locked out of the trunk. So yeah, the little handy dandy wire bit is a lot more useful than the original trunk release. Let's open up the back. Take a look at the engine compartment. We have the fantastic K-Jet. There's a reason most of these cars were converted to carburetor. K-Jet was unreliable as heck. It's a nightmare to keep running. Anyway, she's far from done, but she's getting there. The front fascia still needs the rest of the red paint stripped off, and it needs to be painted to match the back. And she just had a fair amount of frame work done. I'll show you the frame. She's looking pretty good. Take a look under there. The whole front frame extension was just repaired. Still needs the door trim on the sides, amongst a few other things. But she's getting there. Might add a side stripe, not sure yet. She's got a new DPI exhaust. Again, not the worst example of a DeLorean out there. Definitely a project, but I'm gonna pluck away at it little by little and we'll get there eventually. But for now, there's a preview.